Have you ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but felt held back by the thought of being on camera? Maybe you're shy, value your privacy, or simply don't have the fancy equipment you think you need. Well, I have some fantastic news for you. There's a massive and growing world on YouTube where you never have to show your face. These are called faceless channels, and they are incredibly popular across countless niches. Spooky stories, historical deep dives, guided meditations, financial explainers. You can build a huge, dedicated audience and even a full-time career without ever stepping in front of a lens. The focus shifts from you, the personality, to the value and quality of the content you provide, a powerful and liberating way to create. For viewers, it's all about the information, the story, the experience. They come to learn something, be entertained, or relax. This creates a direct connection to the content itself. For creators, the benefits are even more significant. It removes the pressure of being camera-ready, allowing you to focus purely on creating the best possible video. It also provides a layer of anonymity, so you can build an entire brand and business without connecting it to your personal identity. That gives a level of freedom many on-camera creators don't have. This guide is your roadmap to joining this world. Every great YouTube video, whether you see a face or not, begins with a great script. The script is the foundation of your content. It dictates the pacing, the flow of information. The script is the foundation and the overall message. For many new creators, staring at a blank page can be the most intimidating part of the entire process. This is where ChatGPT becomes your ultimate brainstorming partner and scriptwriter. It's a powerful AI language model that can take a simple idea from you and flesh it out into a complete, well-organized script. You don't have to worry about writer's block ever again. Simply give it a clear instruction and watch as it generates the content for you. To get started, you need to give ChatGPT a detailed prompt. A weak prompt like "write a video about space" will give you a generic result. Instead, be specific. Write a 1,000-word YouTube video script for a faceless channel in a friendly and engaging tone. The topic is the 5 most mysterious unexplained signals from deep space. Start with a captivating hook to grab the viewer's attention. For each of the 5 points, briefly explain the signal, like the "wow" signal, where it came from, and why it remains a mystery. End with a call to action asking viewers to subscribe and comment with their favorite theory. This level of detail tells the AI exactly what you need. Once ChatGPT generates the script, your job isn't done. Think of the AI's output as a very strong first draft, not the final product. Your next crucial step is to read through it and inject your own unique voice and perspective. You are the expert on your channel's brand. You might want to rephrase certain sentences to sound more natural. Once you have a polished script, the next step is to bring it to life with a compelling voiceover. The quality of your audio is arguably even more important than your visuals. A clear, engaging voice keeps your audience hooked. Many people dislike the sound of their own voice, lack a quality microphone, or just don't have a quiet space to record. This is where AI voice generation platforms, and specifically ElevenLabs, become an absolute game changer. ElevenLabs uses sophisticated AI to create incredibly realistic, human-sounding speech from text, giving your videos a professional-grade narration without you ever having to say a word. Using ElevenLabs is remarkably simple and intuitive. After signing up, you are presented with a straightforward interface. You simply copy the text from your finalized script, which you created with ChatGPT, and paste it into the text box on the ElevenLabs website. From there, you can explore their vast library of pre-made voices. Voices range in gender, voices range in age, voices range in accent. You can listen to samples of each to find the one that best fits the tone of your channel. The real power of ElevenLabs lies in its customization. You're not just stuck with the default settings. Once you select a voice, you can fine-tune its delivery using simple sliders. Adjust the stability to make the voice more expressive or more monotonous, and tweak the clarity to ensure it's perfectly crisp and easy to understand. For even more advanced control, you can create a brand new, unique voice by using their voice cloning or voice design tools. After you've pasted your script and configured the voice to your liking, all you have to do is click the Generate button. The AI will process the text, and within a few moments, provide you with a high-quality audio file, usually an MP3, that you can download directly to your computer. This file is now ready to be imported into your video editor. With your script written and your professional AI voiceover generated, it's time to move to the editing stage. This is where you will combine your audio with visuals to create the final video. For beginners, I highly recommend CapCut. It started as a mobile app, but now has a powerful and completely free desktop version that is perfect for creating YouTube videos. Its interface is clean. CapCut makes it easy to assemble your video. The first step in CapCut is to import your media. You'll start by bringing in the AI-generated voiceover file you downloaded from ElevenLabs. Place this audio clip onto the main timeline, which acts as the backbone of your entire video. This is the guide for everything else you will do. Now you can start layering your visual elements on top of it. Stock video clips. Images, screen recordings. Graphics. You simply drag and drop these visual files onto the timeline, arranging them to match the narration. For example, when the voiceover mentions the "wow" signal, you would place a relevant image or clip at that exact point in the timeline. CapCut is packed with features that help make your faceless videos more dynamic and engaging. One of the most useful features is its auto-captioning tool. With a single click, CapCut can listen to your voiceover and automatically generate synchronized text captions for your entire video. And maybe adding some subtle background music from CapCut's own library to enhance the mood. Once you are happy with the final result, you simply click the export button. The final component of your faceless video is the visual content that your audience will see while they listen to the narration. This is what keeps their eyes on the screen. Two fantastic and largely free tools for this are Canva for creating custom graphics and text slides, and OBS Studio for recording your screen. Visual summary: split screen, Canva on the left, OBS Studio on the right. Let's start with Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that runs in your web browser. It's perfect for creating visually appealing title cards, bullet point lists, quote graphics, informational slides that can break up your video and reinforce key points from your script. You don't need any design experience to make something that looks amazing. Inside Canva, you can start with a template specifically sized for YouTube videos, 1920 x 1080. From there, you can easily add text, change fonts, change colors, and access a massive library of free stock photos, icons, and design elements. For example, create a simple, clean slide for each benefit with a relevant icon and a short line of text. You can then export these slides as high-quality images, PNG or JPG files, and import them directly into CapCut to place on your timeline. For more dynamic content, especially for tutorials, reviews, or commentary, you'll want to use OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source, and completely free software for screen recording and live streaming. You can use it to record anything on your computer screen. You simply hit Start Recording, perform the actions you want to show on screen, and then hit Stop Recording. OBS will save the recording as a video file, like an MP4, on your computer. Combining custom graphics from Canva with screen recordings from OBS gives you an endless supply of visual content for your faceless videos. You now have the complete step-by-step blueprint for creating high-quality faceless YouTube videos. We've walked through the entire process, from understanding the power and appeal of faceless content to the practical application of modern AI tools that make creation easier than ever. ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceover, CapCut for editing, Canva for custom visuals, OBS Studio for recording. The barriers to starting a YouTube channel have never been lower. You don't need an expensive camera. You don't need a fancy microphone. You don't need the confidence to be on screen. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to learn these simple, accessible tools. AI plus user-friendly software levels. The playing field bedroom creators can rival big teams. Your voice can be heard. Your stories can be told. Your knowledge can be shared. My advice: just start. Don't fall into the trap of analysis paralysis. Don't wait weeks perfecting plans before publishing. Your first video won't be your best, and that's okay. Success equals consistency and learning from experience. Choose a topic you're passionate about. Follow the steps in this guide, upload that first video, Then make another one. Watch audience response. Check your analytics. Improve with every upload. This guide is your starting point, not the final destination.